Hi guys, it's Funny Pulls 101 again, and today I'm playing Happy Wheels.
And this time I'm going to be commenting. I'm Funny Bros, the original. Check out my channel. He is like the secondary channel of mine. And hold on. Let me just help you for a sec. Menu. Go to
Many times, son.
Go to menu. And then full screen. Full screen! Ah.
Yes, I will know. Okay, resume. Oh wait, no, never mind.
Yeah. No, you're still alive. I get. No, you're
No,
not.
sausages are coming out.
Wait, what?
No, literally. Look at that.
What is up with that?
I have no clue.
Actually, I'm pretty sure that those are the muscles.
Oh, I'm like sausage.
Yeah, stop. I'm a vegetarian, which is actually the truth. Oh, that's got it. Oh.
I don't care about
You just bent backwards.
I don't care about my life. She even shows she's not bleeding.
Wait, you mean you're gaming? Lol, easy. Oh, that's gotta hurt. That's gotta hurt. Oh, I see. I can see the red in his. Oh, God.
This is how I drive. Ew, you like popped his shoulder.
Wait. No, it was. What are you doing? What's No! What's happening? It went all the way up. Restart it.
No, I want to do a different.
Can I do it? Oh.
Change characters. That'll help be way more helpful.
That's the Segway guy. You do the guy with his kid.
No.
Oh God.
Oh, what the hell?
I didn't know that guy was in this game.
Pogo stick, man.
Yeah, the first thing he does is ram his head into the. No, go backwards by clicking down. You sure that's gonna? Ah! His head went inside out for half a second. No, I mean not inside out, but like inside, like just never mind. Like this.
Oh, I don't watch this.
You're kidding me, right?
Yeah.
Now you have to restart, nerdy flumpo. Nerdy flumpo.
Yeah, let's be helicopter.
Oh yeah, the guy with the broken controls. No, do the helicopter guy. His controls are broken.
I'm gonna do this guy.
Oh. That guy is not very classy.
Oh yay!
His hat fell off. I didn't even know that was a feature.
It's so fast though. Don't laugh.
No, lean over. No, you're gonna have to do the. Oh. Ah! How do you do that? Oh. I thought that your head was gonna glitch through whatever is holding you
Why
up.
am I still rolling?
Because there's actually a ramp area. What's down there? No, don't! You. Ah! Ah!
And you thought you would fall off? Well, there's different
bad piggies in
Let's be this moment. I'm
quiet.
Let's run over you fat little lady.
Yeah, but
little!
Yeah, fat people interacting with each other. Is someone driving a lawnmower on them? 3 old men that stole your children and killed your son. I didn't know that. It looks like they're peeing blood into nowhere. Oh, you're mowing them. Wait, how do you mow? By pressing space? Try space. That's your special ability. What? Ah, what? It lets you jump. Yeah. Oh my God! I didn't know that. Mow him.
Okay. Okay, let's jump.
Oh, you just mowed his foot. Oh my my leg.
Let's go forward and jump on them. Let's mow your face, you
Oh, they're all in pieces. Oh no! You're killing your own son! You don't even look like you. See that? Everything is flat. Extension leader. It is! Except there's a fat guy mowing a bunch of people, literally. Not mowing people down or something. You're not gonna complete it because of... That was brutal. I know why. Okay, finally the mowing's over.
Yay!
Actually, we have a special guest.
Who?
Lilu! What do you say to the camera? What do you say? What do you say to the camera?
I think she looks confused and she's asking me out.
Yeah, that was our special guest. Say hi to Lilu!
Yeah. She's my cousin star. Let's do this one. Right.
Mower of revenge. God! That is revenge.
Okay, I'm going to do this guy again because the mowing dude is so fun.
Wait, I saw traitors at the start of the level. Yep, I knew that. Not traitors, boulders. That's...
Dude, look at my lawnmower. Oh my god, there's sausages again.
No, those are your muscles.
No, my beautiful lawnmower. Is this supposed to happen?
Yeah.
So victory has come?
No.
Or am I supposed to
No, well, it's not actually. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen. Okay,
Oh, I know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, restart level.
Hi. Pizza.
But I'm gonna wait
Pizza.
until the crater. Oh, it still smashes.
Then go down there.
Oh.
Try that.
Okay.
Alright, the particles are lagging. It's amazing. Flaming pickles! Oh.
What? I just smashed into the.
Choose a different character. Choose the Segway guy or something. That might
No.
work.
Oh, I know. Change character. I know who to use.
Bike!
No. Pogo.
Oh yeah, Pogo is good. Go back! Go back! Quick!
No, that's leaning back.
That landed directly on him.
I know, right? It's not even like blood. Wait, what? I'm falling with the screen. Oh wait, there's my head. That's why. I'm like, there's my head. That's why. What the? And it goes back up. And what does it show now? Or am I just falling? Yeah.
What should we do? Can I do something?
Hold on. Ooh.
Quibblebop! Quibblebop!
Let's do this.
No, that's Quibblecop.
I don't care.
It's not even... Oh, no. You have to run into the spikes.
Why?
Because that's the only... Look. Those are gonna shoot. That you literally just stood there. That's literally all you did. Why would you view the replay?
Oh, I didn't know.
Or did you even try and... Here, click menu. Click menu. Okay. Wait, bash through that. Try that. No, bash through
Wait, I'm
that.
still alive. What the heck?
Oh, yes! That's really hard. Oh, God. You're bending.